Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can view blocked contacts in WhatsApp. Friends, please put your likes, be sure to write comments at the end of the video, and also subscribe to this channel. So let us get started with you. Open the WhatsApp app. After which you will need to go to Settings in the bottom right corner. After that, when you are in the settings, you will need to go to Privacy. And here you will be able to find a section called Blocked. Go to it. And here you'll be able to see a list of blocked contacts. I only have one. You might have a lot more. And then to unblock, let's say, this contact, if you choose to unblock a person, then you have to click on their name. Scroll down to the very bottom and here, at the very bottom, you'll see at the very bottom the unlock function and the person's name. So you click on that. And as you can see, the block function appears immediately, which says that this person has been unblocked. And as you can see in the list of blocked contacts, he is not in the list of blocked contacts either. So this movement is immediately done. That's how easy and fast, friends, you can view your blocked contacts in WhatsApp. And if you need to, unblock them. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please, friends, write your comments, put your likes, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.